Hello and welcome to the online viewing for 80 Beechwood Road. This is an extended 3-bedroom property in a particularly sought after location, which also has a good sized garden to the rear. Okay, then moving into the property, and we have the hallway here with stairs going up to the first floor and useful understairs storage pantry. Then we have the first reception room, which has a good sized bay window towards the front aspect. It's open fireplace here. And around to the cloakroom stroke utility. Great addition to this property with further base units and space for washing machine and tumble dryer. And on to the second reception area, which opens into the kitchen. And two Velux windows, as well as double doors leading out into the rear garden. Nice little breakfast area. Okay, then moving on to the first floor landing, where we have a useful built-in storage cupboard here as well. Then we have 3 bedrooms and a bathroom on this floor, starting with the first bedroom here at the front of the house. And we also have the third bedroom here at the front of the property as well. Moving through to the second bedroom, again, nice double sized room, and from here we're overlooking the rear garden. And into the bathroom, where we have the toilet, wall-mounted wash basin, and then a whole bath with mixer shower above. Okay, then just moving outside into the rear garden, we have the main lawn area going down to the shed, and then there is a gate in the rear fence there as well, and there's also side access here leading back out to the front. And that concludes the online viewing. If you'd like to arrange a physical viewing, then please do call the office as soon as you can, and we'll hopefully speak to you soon. Thanks very much. Bye for now.